Hi you guys, I'm Tiffany.
And I'm Paige.
And today we are going to be showing you one of our favorite holiday tiki drink recipes, which is the rum around the Christmas tree. It was available at Trader Sam's in Anaheim. I think it was 2018.
It's a few years back, yeah.
Yeah, it was so good when we got it. We actually went back I think every night we were there. It was 3 or 4 nights in a row to get this drink because it's just incredibly smooth and not super bitter.
Yeah, we love tiki drinks, but some of them are a little on the bitter side. And this one, it's like the perfect balance. It's not super sweet and it's not super bitter. It's like this warm feeling in your stomach. Like Tiffany explains it the best way possible.
It's just like you're drinking Christmas.
It is. It is cinnamon and it's apple juice and it's cold on ice, spiced rum. It's a feel-good drink. And they used to serve it in an 8-ounce cup, like a pretty small serving, but it was delicious. We drank quite a few of them.
We did. No regrets. And then after we left there, we were trying to figure out how to make it at home. And since it's not one of those common drinks you can just find online, we had to kind of look at the menu that we found online just to see what the ingredients were, and then kind of try to figure out how much we thought of each thing was in it.
I'm giving her all the credit because she is our little mixologist.
I try.
I'm the taste tester.
I think we got it pretty close though. You definitely helped.
I did help. Well, so we had to tweak the recipe because the ginger syrup that we were used to buying, what was the brand? It was Brothers
Reserve.
Brothers Reserve. They discontinued the ginger syrup. We've gone to Total Wine. We've looked everywhere online. Everywhere's out of stock. So we had to try and adjust it, and we found this on Amazon. It's called Monin. I don't know if it's We've seen how I read off ingredients or brand names, so I'm just gonna call it Monin. I'm not sure, but we'll put the link below. And we got it on Amazon, and it got here super fast. They shipped it in this really nice bubble wrap. A lot of the reviews that we were reading on different syrups and things like that when you buy from Amazon were saying, they showed up shattered or they showed up sticky and stickiness was everywhere. So
I was a little scared because this is a glass bottle, so I'm glad that it made it here okay.
Yeah, but it was perfect. And so we did have to adjust the recipe a little bit.
It's a little bit more gingery.
Yeah.
That's why. The one we had before, the Brothers Reserve, was a little on the sweeter side.
Yeah, this has a little bit more bite to it. Yeah.
But it's still really good.
It is still really good. She adjusted the recipe. We taste tested multiple drinks to try and make sure it got as close. And I think it's pretty close. So if you guys have ever had this before, or if not, it's a great Christmas drink. It's a great drink to have around this time. It's delicious.
Definitely. Well, we hope you guys enjoy it. But before we get started and actually showing you how to make it, we are going to show you some of the awesome Christmas tiki mugs that we got this year.
Yeah. So the first one, or the first two, I should say, they're 2 different colors, are from Lost Temple Traders. And they are the Shrunken Santa Head. And I always want to call him Zombie Santa just because, I don't know, but it's supposed to be the shrunken zombie from Trader Sam's. So well made. They got here really fast. Great company. I don't know. I love these mugs. Highly recommend. They're very well made, and they came in 2 different colors, and it was pretty reasonable for 2 mugs.
I think it was $75.
$75, which really, when you look at a lot of tiki mugs, that's pretty reasonable.
Yeah.
So they're kind of an awkward shape, so we sat down with them. These aren't something that you would want bar guests walking around.
Yeah, don't have anybody break your mug. Yes. That'd be devastating.
And then the other 2 we got them from the Sip and Santa pop-up shop.
I'll show this one first.
And that one's the Tiki Hot Mug, I think is what it's called.
The Tiki Hot Mug. It has these dancing reindeers on it, which is so cute.
With hula skirts. And they gave us, I wish they would have given us more of the swizzle sticks.
I know.
Because we each bought 2
Look how
mugs.
cute these are.
And they only gave us 2 total. But super cool. And then this one, we were on the fence about because it was $70 or $75. And we're well, it kind of is a Christmas mug. Can you really display it all year round? But it's beautiful. Honestly, if you didn't look at the Santa, you couldn't really tell that it's Christmas just because the detail on the outside of the mug is just gorgeous. They did a really good job with it that I was I'm sold. I'm buying it. And then Tiffany was you're a horrible influence.
She is.
And we actually, I don't know why, but we both thought that this was a pig. It's a reindeer, which makes sense because it's a Christmas
If Santa is sitting in the jacuzzi with a reindeer, I don't know why he would be sitting with a pig, but for some reason we thought it was.
And the bartender was like, no. It's a reindeer. Like, oh, okay. So, anywho, we got that from, like I said, that traveling roadshow, Sip and Santa. They're going all around the United States right now, and if you guys
you
are
can
in
actually
area,
go online and you can search the different states and see where they are. So, yeah, definitely go and see. I mean, I know right now everything's kind of shut down, but there might still be.
Yeah,
some
I know
places.
a lot of places are doing pickups because you still want to support local businesses, and even if you can't sit down at a restaurant, like if you could buy a mug and take it to go, that's awesome to support those. So yeah, we just wanted to show you guys those Lost Temple Traders and then the Sip and Santa Roadshow. Super awesome mugs. We love them. And like we said, we don't know for sure if these are still in stock, but always check it out because all their mugs are beautiful.
They are. I highly agree.
Yeah.
So we will go ahead and we are going to get started and show you everything you're going to need to make this drink, which is pretty simple. Yeah. Actually.
First ingredient, simple syrup.
Yeah.
Or not the first ingredient, but one of the ingredients.
Simple syrup. You're going to need some spiced rum and ginger syrup, which like Paige was saying, we got on Amazon. You might be able to find some at your local liquor store, but it's a lot harder than the other syrups to find for some reason.
Yeah, I don't know why. And then we had to read a bunch of reviews because people were saying, it's too spicy or it's too sweet or whatever. So I think a lot of people were trying to make them for Moscow mules. And we're like, okay, well, that's not what we're trying to make it for. But yeah, check on Amazon because we had good luck with that. And then some lemon juice. And of course, apple juice. That's like the main part of it.
Apple juice. And then you will need some cinnamon sticks to top that off.
And with the cinnamon sticks, do not go to your local grocery store. When we went to find those the first time, do you remember how expensive it was for like a tiny little thing of it? I think it had like 4 or 5 of them in there. Sam's Club. Go to Sam's Club. I don't know if Costco has them too, but these are from Sam's Club. And that whole thing was like maybe $8.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's the way to go. So we're going to get started. We're going to show you how much of each ingredient you need, and we will get started.
So the first thing you're going to need is 2 ounces of spiced rum. And then 2 ounces of apple juice. All right, and then the next 3 things we're gonna do are the juices and syrups. So we're gonna do a 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. And a 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. And a 1/2 ounce of ginger syrup. So now that we've got the 2 ounces of apple juice and 2 ounces of spiced rum in here, and then we have a 1/2 ounce each of ginger syrup, lemon juice, and simple syrup, we are gonna go ahead and put it in a cocktail shaker and shake it up. And you could probably add ice. We'll add some ice to it just to make it a little bit colder. All right, so we are gonna go ahead and pour this in here. And this serving size is for about 1 drink. 2 people could split it, but this is our recipe for 1 drink. All right, so we're gonna shake it up a little bit. And then we are gonna go ahead and pour it and give it a try, and I'm so excited. All right, we're gonna go ahead and pour it and give it a try. And we cannot forget the cinnamon stick on top.
One time we went to Trader Sam's and they did just sprinkle cinnamon on there, but that was only one of the times we went. So if you don't have the cinnamon sticks and you want to just garnish it with a little bit of fresh, is it freshly ground cinnamon or just cinnamon? Yeah. That's totally fine too.
Okay, so now it is time to try it.
I am so excited, you guys.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Yes.
That's perfect.
That's it.
That's exactly what I remember.
It is the perfect amount of ginger and cinnamon and apple. So good. Christmas in a glass. And we hope you guys enjoyed watching this. And we hope you guys could try this at home since we obviously can't be at Trader Sam's at Disneyland. We have to try and bring it home as much as we can. And
we are trying.
We are trying. And we are so sorry. We've been really bad about posting on here.
Yeah, I think our last video was what, July?
Was it that long ago?
I think it was July. We tried a few videos, and there's things we're still working on in those videos, so there's a lot of editing that needs to be done and refilming, and so we kind of just, it was a combination of, would you say discouraged?
We were a little discouraged. Well, also, we're trying not to go to that many stores, and some of the things we need, we have to physically go to, like, some of the local stores and get them. And also, I went back to work for a few months until California shut us down again for the third time.
But now there's more time for videos.
But now there's more time for videos. So we're going to try and be a lot better about this. So sorry, you guys, for being a little absent since July. I didn't realize that. I'm so sorry.
We're very sorry.
Yes.
But, you know, if you like this drink, let us know in the comments. Let us know if there's anything else you guys want to see. We are happy to take recommendations. We really just want to start putting out content again.
Yes.
And we are so happy to have you guys who are watching. If not, make sure to like and subscribe so that you can watch our videos in the future and click the bell icon.
Yeah.
So that way you can get updated when we do post more content, which will be more often than before.
Yes.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you have a wonderful holidays and mahalo.
Mahalo. And as they say, Mela Kaliki Maka.
Check out the spirit jerseys.
We didn't actually go to Alani at Christmas time, but she's really good at finding things on Shop Disney.
I saw this jersey before it actually even came out. Like, they said, this is going to be available at Alani. And I was so sad that it didn't say Shop Disney because I knew I wasn't going to get to go there this year. And then they posted it on Shop Disney. And the second I saw it, I, like, almost had a heart attack. I, like, panicked, grabbed my credit card. I'm, like, screaming at Paige.
Didn't you wake me up?
I did. I was like, do you want this?
It's on Shop Disney! I'm like, okay, buy it!
I'm so excited.
It doesn't have a year on it, which is nice. Not that we don't like things with years, but, like...
It's so cute, though. There's, like, pineapples and
it has
princess.
Duffy. Where's Duffy? He was on the front of mine, I thought.
He is on the front. He's over here, I think.
Oh, yeah. Duffy's over here.
And it's got the hotel. It's kind of hard to see it, but...
So cute.
I am in love with this jersey.
So, yes. Aloha, mahalo, malakaliki maka. All things Hawaiian and awesome.
Yes.
We hope you guys enjoyed this. And, yeah, give us a like and a subscribe if you guys want more content.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Bye.